Welcome to day 3 of our Excel series. Today, I'll show you how to create a table in Excel using dummy data. You'll also learn how to quickly fill data using both manual input and drag fill methods. Let's start by adding column headers. Step 1. Create headers. We'll create columns for Sister No, customer name, last name, account number, mobile number, EMI amount, balance amount. You can type these in the top row of your Excel sheet. Step 2. Add serial numbers, Sister No. To enter serial numbers, you can use the method we learned in day 2. Type 1 in the first cell under Sister No, then type 2 below it. Now, select both cells, and drag the fill handle down. Excel will automatically continue the sequence. Step 3. Add dummy data to other columns. For the customer name like Preet, Nisha, Priya, Jyoti, Lakan, Sonali, Ajay, Suman, and last name, you can enter sample names manually, like Dubey, Panchal, Campbell, Mishra, Dubey, Pal, Potil, Singh. You can also copy and paste names to fill rows quickly. For account number, just type a number like 123456 and 123,458. At least 2 rows should be added. Then, use the drag fill handle from the corner of the cell to generate the next numbers automatically. Step 4. Fill in mobile numbers, EMI, and balance. Similarly, for mobile numbers, type first and second full number, then drag to fill the rest. For EMI amount and balance amount, you can type the first few numbers like 890 and use the fill handle or formula method. Here we will use formula method. So, using a mix of typing, the drag fill feature, and simple formulas, you can create a complete table within just a few minutes. This is helpful for creating demo files, practice sheets, or templates. And that's how you create a table in Excel using dummy data. In our next video, we'll explore how to format this table to make it look more professional. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the series. Thank you for watching.